Yes guys, what is popping? Welcome back to another video. So today what we are doing, we are fitting an intercooler to my mate's Mini. So long story short, he's got an aftermarket intercooler already fitted at the moment, but his intake temps are going silly when he puts his foot down after a couple of gears. His intake temps go really high. Would you say like you feel like power loss, like it goes really slow? Yeah. So yeah, today what we're doing, we're going to fit the AirTech intercooler and see if it makes any difference to the intake temps. I'm told that it's going to make a massive difference, so yeah, I'm here to bring you along and show you what it does. So at the moment, our intake temp is 8 degrees, so after a couple of pulls, I reckon it should, what's it usually go up to? It's going to be cold outside though, isn't it?
2 degrees outside.
So 2 degrees outside. And
8 degrees now, isn't it?
Yeah. So it's 8 degrees already and he has not put his foot down, so he's sat there, let the car warm up. So let's see how it gets on after a couple of pulls. So that little pull then, 34 degrees just off of that.
One gear.
Right, so we're just going to do a couple of little pulls just so you can see. So we're at 15 degrees just sitting at the traffic, so outside. 2 degrees. Then we'll say we're dropping lows now. Now we're coasting. Dropping lows. Man, that's so hard to see, but I'm trying my best here, guys. Oh, come off it, man. Right, here's another pull. Hopefully I can video it better than last time. 40 degrees, 45, 49. 54 degrees. Now look at it going down. Right, so just to give you a little show and tell, obviously you've got just race boys, like literally turbo, a cone, air's coming through there and that, so there's like, it's not like
through here. That's where the standard box feeds cold air up here.
Oh, does it? So it's literally boom, straight through there, straight onto the cone, so there should be no reason why we're getting this like crazy heat. So
it should. It's not the best, but it shouldn't be that bad, should it?
So right then, let's we're going to whip the bumper off now. I'm not going to show you how to take the bumper off because obviously it's already been done. So yeah, next time you see this, bumper's going to be off and we'll show you the standard cooler. Right, and so we'll see he's trying to get the bumper off. I'll show you the boost. Do you wanna open this up? Because obviously it's your intercooler.
No, you can do it.
No. Sure.
What's that? What it is? Look at the packaging on this. Look at the packaging.
Oh, it's steps, you know.
Yeah, they all are.
Are they?
Yeah.
Right, so we've got packaging of how sexy this product is. But if you're a baller, you don't need instructions. But it does come with instructions just in case you're struggling with life. Right, and so this is the one we're taking off. That's got. This is off quite a popular big brand, but I'm not gonna slate them off or anything. I know some of the fins look a bit dodgy, but
it's in a fair few 70 mile an hour.
Yeah, 75 miles an hour, 70. So yeah, let's take this off and put the new boy on. So what we've noticed, like straight away, like obviously this one looks fucked, but it's still silly intake temps and that, but we've noticed this weighs nothing, like just to like pick it up, it's literally
I think most of it's based in the cores, so it like circulates all the cold air, so it like runs through all the pipes and stuff. I bet if you open this up, I bet there's literally nothing there, so stopping the air circulating, but lift that up, obviously you can't tell on camera, but the AirTech one is a lot heavier than that one, so I'm guessing that's got all the goodies in the side bit. So yeah, let's put it back together and see how it goes. Yeah, so what we've noticed, yeah, we need to do this like scientifically, so you lot know properly. We need to grab some, yeah. So don't scratch it. No, I'm not gonna, but like, look how deep it is on that one, and then you go to the replica. It's not a replica. Well, it's not. It's a shit brand, but you've got a lot more depth and thickness and height in the AirTech one than you have in that one. So yeah. It's thicker as well. Yeah, but we like that one up. We like girth, don't we? Right, and there it's on. Literally, it's just a case of like 2 Jubilee clips, one down there for the standard hose. And yeah, there's how many bolts you put in? 2? Yeah, so one that side and one that side, and literally it's on. So right, let's put the bumper on and take it for a test drive. Right, so we're back in the car and just the same. Yep, so it's like 2-3 degrees outside, and straight off the bat driving normally. What are you doing to it? He said that it would have gone up by now, just by, it's on 5 degrees now. 4 degrees, and you actually moving. The other one would have defo gone up there, wouldn't it? 4 degrees. Oh my god. What? Yeah, that's good. It's going down. You can get minus. Air cooling solutions. Right, so we're going to try a little pull now. We're at 6 degrees and we've been driving quite slow for a bit. So that got to 19 degrees, like that took a while to get there. Exact same pull as well. But it's going down so much quicker as well, like it's dropping like mad, so that's definitely worked, man. Right, I'm going to give it another little run here. So 4 degrees starting off, same pull. 13, 14 degrees. That's mental, that is, isn't it? That's like twice as good as you were getting. Yes guys, right, so we need to draw this video to a close. So as you could see in the video, the start intake temps were, I've been in the car with him before this video, and he's always gone, he does like a couple of pulls, second, third gear, and literally the temps are shooting up and you can feel his car get sluggish. Like he could be pulling away from a car to like 70 and then he could do the run again, but then the car's not pulling away from it. Like honestly, heat soak was that bad. So obviously he was like, I need a cooler. So we ordered the cooler off AirTech, super fast delivery. I think it was like 1-2 days, if that. We ordered it Sunday and it come Tuesday, which was brilliant. And we were like, is it actually going to work? Is it actually going to work that much? Because obviously all I hear is AirTech's the best, like all this and that. So put it on. As you even saw, it was at like, what, the first one was running like, I got up to 50 degrees, 54 degree intake temp after just like 2 gears. And then literally it stays high for ages and then it slowly creeps back down, but as soon as you tickle the throttle, it's game over, it's going back up again. And then we put the AirTech one on, and honest to God, like, I'm genuinely telling the truth, there was no cutting, there was no snipping, there's no lying. His intake temps were so low, like it literally like tootled it a bit, shot up a tiny bit, like I'm talking a couple of degrees if that. And then when he actually put his foot down properly on the dual carriageway, it literally like stayed, it went to 20, the max intake temp was 20, and then it like shot down straight away, whereas the other one, that got up to like 55, 56, but we've noticed the car feels faster, it feels more responsive and faster, so whatever that other one was doing, weren't doing very well. So big shout out to AirTech, man, honestly. I can't really say much, but I have got a new car, so the next video will actually be the new car, reveal of the new car. Some of you may saw it, some of you may not. If you have saw it, please don't say what it is because you'll ruin it in the comments. But yeah, stay tuned, man, because this next car is going to be absolutely sick. So yeah, Thank you, AirTech. Remember, comment, share, subscribe, all that. Next video is going to be absolutely sick because it's the new car. And yeah, we're nearly at 10k, guys. So we've hit a milestone that I said I'd never do. I said to complete YouTube, I wanted 100k, but 10k was a massive milestone for me. So yeah, thank you, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.